that seatbelt, son.
I know.
Oh, Ted, stay away from those cars.
Yeah, I can't imagine that the neighbors would be very thrilled, but...
You what?
I can't imagine the neighbors would be super thrilled,
No.
but I guess it's all good.
Get out of the grass.
Colton, come over here! Colton! Hi, Eli!
Hi, Elijah.
Okay. In the garage. In the garage.
Gotta go in, it's starting to rain.
No. Yes. That's the wheel washer.
Yeah. Okay, now in the garage. Good job.
Take your foot off the pedal.